Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to enforcement. Enforcement is the proper execution of the process of ensuring compliance with laws, regulations, rules, standards, and social norms. Governments attempt to effectuate successful implementation of policies by enforcing laws and regulations. Enactment refers to application of a law or regulation or carrying out of an executive or judicial order. Theories of enforcement. Enforcement serves a number of functions. The enforcement of social norms can ensure conformity within insular communities. The enforcement of laws can maximize social benefits and protect the public interests, and enforcement may also serve the self-interest of institutions that oversee enforcement. Enforcement can be effectuated by both public institutions and private non-governmental actors. Enforcement is often accomplished through coercive means or by utilizing power disparities to constrain action. Some scholars have also argued that institutions enforce rules when deciding when and how to apply laws and regulations. Enforcement mechanisms are a central part of various policies. Enforcement mechanisms determine natural resource governance outcomes, and pollution-related policies may require proper enforcement mechanisms and often substitutes to have a positive effect. Enforcement may include law enforcement or combine incentive and disincentive-based policy instruments. A meta-analysis of policy studies across multiple policy domains suggests enforcement mechanisms are the only modifiable treaty design choice, with the potential to improve the most law effectiveness of international treaties. On a national level, penalties for non-compliant countries could include public reprimands, economic sanctions, denial of benefits such as those related to travel, trade, and tourism, public disclosures of compliance, which could act either as an incentive or penalty tariffs. Benefits for countries could include tangible resources such as financial aid or technical assistance, other support, access to data and information, recommendations and guidance, or other services provided by a governing body tariffs. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was the host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.